It will remain what? 2. Supposing I now put 2 here, I now say, okay, I will check. 6 minus 2. Will it give me 4?
Yeah.
Yes, it means it's that 2 that will be here. That's how to do it. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So where are we? Okay, now said for short length and higher length, that's for short length, millimeter and centimeter for short length, and the higher unit we use meter and kilometer for larger distance. Now the common unit of mass are the gram. Mass unit, if you want to weigh something that is heavy, the unit that we use to weigh it is either gram, which we call G, or kilogram, which is kg, and ton, which is T. You remember this one is for length. Why this one is for what? Is for mass. When something is heavy, the heaviness of thing is called mass. Now the common units of capacity are the what? The milliliter, which is ml, centiliter, which is cl, and liter, which is l. That is, we have moved from gram and mass. Now we have gone to what? Capacity. Unit of capacity. Do you understand? Now, as with length, we use the lower unit for smaller quantity. As for length, that is, if you want to measure length, we use the what? The lower unit for smaller quantity, and the higher unit for greater quantity. So we want to explain it by now. Okay, this one is body measure. Now let's now look at the example. This is one example here. Only for example, if you walk 6.3 meters, then one pace is equal to 6.3 meter divided by what? 10. Because how many this thing will you get? A pace, length of step in normal walking, one pace lele. If you walk 6.3 meter, then one pace will be what? One pace is what? Is 10.
Mommy.
Do you understand? You will now divide 6.3 by 10. It will give you what? 0.6 meter. But when you convert this 0.6 meter to, when you convert a meter to centimeter, it will what? How many centimeter make 1 meter? 100. So when you multiply this one, this 0.63 by 100, you have 63 centimeters. So in your this thing, SI unit of scale, ìyẹn ló máa padà sí nínú ìwé tí wàá fi get iṣẹ́ ìmọ̀ mọ̀. SI unit of scale ó dà kó wà ní bíbá yìí nígbà kan fi fún ẹ ká fi rí. Is here, we saw it that time ní first term. Lọ wá SI unit of scale. Ìwà àfihàn iṣẹ́ yẹn gbà tí bàtà àwọn exercise inú estimation wà lè calculate. SI unit of scale. Kó lọ gbé ní ìtẹ̀kọ́ tó máa wà bẹ́ẹ̀. We later check it nígbà yẹn. We later check it.
Mommy, I get 1. Mom, I get 9 number 2.
First term ní iṣẹ́ first term ní not second term. SI unit of measurement. Lọ́wọ́ ló tẹ̀. Over 6. Lọ́wọ́ wà bẹ́ẹ̀. I later saw it nínú bíbá. Mo wá sọ wípé àbọ̀tí wọ́n kọ́ SI unit of kìíní síbẹ̀ níjọ́ yẹn. So ti rántí. But inside this textbook, we later saw it. Má tẹ̀wọ́ kalẹ̀. We later saw it. Lọ́gbé nóòtù ẹ̀ wá.
Oh, no, sister. The number 2, I get 9. My number 2, I get 9.
Number 2, you got 9.
Yes.
Yeah. How will it be 9? How will it be 9? So 3 plus 9 will give you 6, abi? Máa ṣe ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ fún máàkì ẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ̀tọ́ kò mú wá?